हाय फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं आपका टेक रेहान। कैसे हो आप सब लोग? टुडे विल गो थ्रू ए न्यू ट्रिक हाउ टू fill the serial numbers. Here we have a table where we have company and sales. Now I want to fill the serial numbers according to company. For that, like this we do normally. Today I will show you a trick how to fill the serial numbers. First, select the column, go to find and select. In that, go to special. Here click blanks and then click OK. Here we have a formula called equal to n, open the bracket, the first cell, close the bracket, plus 1 and then control plus enter. You can see that the numbers got filled accordingly. Hope you understood the trick. Please like and follow for more. If any questions, comment me. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, enjoy.